today we're taking the ZX2 from this to this. We're gonna give it a little bit of a facelift, make it look all good. Intro. All right, we're gonna change this bumper out in 3 easy steps. Step 1, pop the hood. Step 2, smash finger when opening hood. Step 3, walk away from car forever. But no, seriously, we're gonna get this front end changed out. I have the other bumper over there. I'm gonna wait till I can just show you now. There's a lot of imperfections in it, but those are gonna get taken out later on down the road when I paint it for real. But as you can see here, we've got some high spots. It's waved right there. Got some more high spots over here and here, and then down here by where the fog lights go, it's just beat. Like it's absolutely cooked. So we'll fix that later when we go to paint it the final color. But for now, since I have 17-inch wheels, I'll take the front wheels off to get to the inner fender to get it moved back enough to get these little bolts down here that hold this in. There's 2 right here, and the only way to get through them is under here. As you can see, we got one here, one there, and there's one up underneath here that we need to get out so we can get this off. Then we can undo this 2 from up here and then drop it down, get the 2 up top, and pull the bumper off. Fully I do need this though. That is safe. Just pull this bad boy off. It's still connected. Alright. Apparently I got some bolts I forgot. So let me get those and we'll be fine. Just I don't know, the corner of the cab looks pretty bad.
Oh yeah, the corner of the cab.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, man. I'm ready to see what you got.
Oh, yeah. Fuck out of here. Ooh, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna keep this bitch up here. Give me that, right next to the screwdriver. The black pieces here. Yeah, that's my buddy, my friend Jason.
Yeah. I'm off to the side.
I guess I should have checked to see if these sockets can work these turns. Just instead of just all willy-nilly throwing the bumper on and calling it good.
It should be.
So the only thing that was different was just the face. Alright, I spared you guys the boring start of Well, me putting the bolts back in, but we're all put back together. She is looking nice. I love that. The front end looks so good. I've been hunting one of these 03 front bumpers for, about 2 years since I bought this thing. And I am in love with it. It looks fantastic. I'm so happy with it, except for, like I said, all the imperfections that are down here and up here. But for the most part, it's a good spot to start. So I'm gonna get the wheels back on, put it back on the ground, take it outside, wash it, and I'll be back to show you the final product. All right, it's all clean and washed off. And here's the end result. It does sit a little bit lower than the other one, which I kind of like. But oh my God, that front end. I've been waiting for one of these for 2 years and I finally found one. And now it's on the car. I'm so happy. That's pretty much it. That's all I was gonna do for today. I just really wanted to get that on because I'm so excited. It's the one video that I've been waiting on. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys like the new format the video's in. I'm going to continue uploading in this fashion, this way. So hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys later.